Android Auto problems in 2026? Here's how to fix them fast.
Is your Android Auto randomly disconnecting, not launching, or just refusing to respond to voice commands? You're not the only one. Over the past few weeks, a growing number of users have been dealing with these exact issues, and today I'll show you what's really going on and how to fix it. Now, this isn't a single massive bug affecting everyone, but based on user reports, system changes in recent Android updates, and how apps like Google Play services behave are likely causing these problems on some devices. So instead of guessing, let's break it down. Here are the 3 most common issues right now. First, Android Auto doesn't start unless your phone is unlocked. You plug it in and nothing happens. Second, wireless Android Auto randomly disconnects, especially when notifications come in. And third, Google Assistant just stops responding. You tap the mic and nothing. Now let's fix all of that. Grab your phone, let's go step by step. This is the #1 fix most people miss. Newer Android versions are very aggressive with battery optimization, and they can actually shut down Android Auto in the background. Go to Settings, Apps, Android Auto, tap Battery. Set it to Unrestricted. And don't forget, do the same for Google Play services. This one change alone fixes a lot of disconnect issues. If you're using wireless Android Auto, your phone might be constantly switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that can break the connection. Turn on Airplane Mode. Then manually turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This prevents your phone from hunting for a cellular signal, and in many cases, it stabilizes the connection immediately. Quick note, this method disables your cellular signal, so you may miss phone calls unless you're using Wi-Fi calling. I recommend using this as a quick test, not a permanent fix. If Android Auto doesn't launch until you unlock your phone, this one's for you. Enable developer options, search Default USB Configuration. Set to File Transfer/Android Auto.
This helps your phone recognize the car connection instantly, without waiting for manual unlock. If Google Assistant isn't responding, it's usually a cache or app issue. Settings, Apps, Google App, Storage, Clear Cache. Repeat for Android Auto. This refreshes the system and often restores voice commands. Here's something important. These issues aren't always caused by just one thing. It's usually a combination of your Android version, Google Play services, and your car's head unit system. That's why some people never see these problems, and others get hit hard. The good news? These are software-related issues, so they'll likely be improved in future updates. But for now, these fixes are the most reliable ways to get Android Auto working properly again. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world tech fixes. And let me know in the comments, what phone and car are you using and which fix worked for you?